Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. It is January 22nd, 2014, and this is the first video we've ever made on the Forex market. And you know, Right Line Trading is a program that bases its indicator analysis. It does fractal analysis. The first line here is based on order flow. The second is stochastic, and the third is momentum. And this accumulates data from multiple time frames to help us determine market direction. Then, in addition, we rely heavily on market structure. We have focused primarily on the futures market, crude oil, natural gas, the Russell. Although you can trade any time frame and on any market. This is the first video we've done on the Forex markets, and they trade absolutely fabulous on a 5-range chart. And I wanted to go over the trades today on the euro dollar. Now the European session opens at 2 a.m. Eastern time, and our first trade came right here. Now you can see the candle is surrounded. This is our 50-day SMA, and this is our proprietary, we call it our modified 15. It's sort of like a 15-day moving average or 15-period moving average, but does not move like an exponential or a simple. It's sort of a proprietary line somewhere in between. And you can see with the 50 heading down, we got a break of the 15, and the candle is surrounded in pink. And that means you have order flow and momentum with you on the trade on multiple time frames. This was a terrific setup. You're in one tick below, or one pip below here. Let's see, candle close is 4. You're in at 3. Lower the trade. And that made you, that was a 15 pip trade. Now there's no trading here at all, and when the right line trend line turns yellow, that defines chop. Now we had a beautiful setup right here. Now we can take the 3-line break here. It's outlined in blue. This shows you have order flow, stochastic, and momentum with you to the upside on a falling 50. But you can take this power entry, bounce off the 50. And this is another beautiful trade. 1 pip above. And this goes for 22 pips. Now the market comes down, and we don't counter trend trade. So this whole move down, we don't trade. We look for the bounce off the 50, which we get right here. Now it certainly does give us a little bit of heat, but it's a winning trade. It doesn't. We have a 10-tick stop. I'm sorry, we have a 6-tick stop on a 5-range chart. I'm sorry, 7-tick stop on a 5-range chart. We're in 1 tick above. And that's good for 14 pips. We then have a beautiful C candle, which is one of our, with triple momentum. We will take these trades, even if the 50 is up, because the modified 15 is heading down. It's all in our rule book. Entry is 1 tick below. And this goes 16 pips. So basically we have 4 setups. 16 pips, 22 pips, 14 pips, and 16 pips. So let's see. That's about 78 pips today. We could have gotten very conservatively on these 4 entries, trading the euro dollar on a 5-range chart on right line. Now we're going to be doing a lot more work on the forex markets because our system works incredibly well on forex, and so I'm going to be making a lot more videos, and we're going to focus on the pound dollar, but really we can look at any market, any time frame. Could have accumulated 78 pips today with no muss, no fuss, just basically based on our very, very conservative trading rules, and essentially no potential for a stop out. Now there was another entry here, which I did not. It's a retracement and a power entry up. As long as we have a 15's green, I'm sorry, the 50 is up, the 15 remains intact. This is a retracement into an intact trend. This is what we love to see. And then a move to the upside, and this would have actually booked us another 16 pips. So great day today trading the Euro USD. Hope everybody has a great evening.